In this problem, we are again finding the first four terms of the recursively defined sequence, but now we have two initial conditions rather than one. But otherwise, this is very similar to problem number 1 from the previous video. So, getting started here now. I already have u sub 1 and u sub 2. I'm going to find u sub 3, and k is equal to 3 because it's u sub 3. So we have 3 times u sub 3 minus 1 minus u sub 3 minus 2. Okay, so this is equal to 3 times u sub 2 minus u sub 1. And u sub 2 is equal to 1. U sub 1 is equal to 1. They don't have to be equal to each other, they just happen to be in this particular problem. And then we get 2 for u sub 3. Now we'll find u sub 4. And u sub 4 is 4, because that's k, times u sub 4 minus 1 minus u sub 4 minus 2. And that's 4 times u sub 3 minus u sub 2. Okay, so we just found u sub 3, that was 2. U sub 2 was given, and that was 1. So we have 8 minus 1, which is 7. I'm going to go ahead and find 2 more terms because just to show how to do it. But officially, we finished the problem because they just said find the first 4, and it's not our fault that they gave us 2 of them to start off with. So let's take a look. U sub 5 is 5, which is k. U sub 5 minus 1, which is 4, minus, u sub 5 minus 2, which is 3. All right. So we have 5 times u sub 4, which we just found was 7, minus u sub 3, which was 2. So we've got 33 for u sub 5, and u sub 6 is 6 times u sub 5 minus u sub 4. So that's 6 times 33 minus u sub 4, which was 7, and this equals 191, if I did my arithmetic correctly. Hopefully I did. So, what does this give us in the end? Our terms are 1, 1, 2, 7, 33, and 191, and of course that continues on forever. But we have finished this problem, and a little bit extra as well.